KMX stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Carmax, yeah, the price, I mean, the thing just melted, and I have nothing wrong to say against it, but it's just the truth. That's how my previous charts looking like. So I said that only because it was in a supply zone, man, it was tough, and this is what I mentioned. It's a no man's land. So either the price breaks above or beneath the low. It just opened right here today, so I was out of the game, but yeah, bias-wise, phenomenal. I was really just out of this game because, like, ultimately we're just consolidating. Yeah, it was a supply zone and whatnot, and it's still like now this turns into a bearish range. So the only thing that will matter is if full candle close. I mean, I'm just not even looking to trade this to begin with, but it's a bearish range. If I'm looking to buy, if you're like, Mr. Sicko, when is this going to be bullish? I'll have to say the moment I start seeing breaks above 83 bucks. Other than that, I'm just not touching it whatsoever. So stay tuned. If you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.